Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Fun with Anshika. Today's video is not about sharing a recipe, but I really want to take a minute and thank each of you amazing people who have put their trust in me and subscribed to my channel. This channel is a dream I kept dreaming since 2014, but it took me many years to make it come alive. But I'm so glad it is finally happening, and I'm having such a ball of a time sharing these recipes with all you lovely people on this community on YouTube. So stay tuned. Also, I have one quick announcement to make. Going forward, we will be sharing a vegan recipe every Tuesday. So let's celebrate a vegan Tuesday and we'll do a vegetarian Friday. Yeah, how does that sound? Do let me know in the comments below. I really look forward to hearing from you, and I'll put my best to come back to your comments, definitely. So guys, thank you once again. Thank you for all the love, and stay tuned. Many more amazing recipes to come. Thank you. Bye for now.